guys and welcome back to another video. आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ everything that I got from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I'm so excited to test out all the new products that I have got from the sale. मैंने काफी चीजें restock भी की है अपने लिए, so I'm going to share that also. This is going to be a good review slash haul video. So without making this intro more long, let's dive into the video. But if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Quaish. I'm a makeup artist. I make makeup related content videos on this channel. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click the bell icon below so that when I upload a video, you are notified. And now let's start with the video. So from the skincare, I've restocked one of my favorite face wash. This is the Dermaco 2% Salicylamide Anti-Acne Face Wash. I have an acne prone skin and this works great on my skin type. ये मेरे acne marks को fade करता है and I love that this has 2% of salicylic acid and 2% of niacinamide. Both of these work great for my skin type and I absolutely love how my skin feels light and calm. So yeah, I've restocked my favorite face wash. I also restocked this 2% salicylic acid face serum from the same brand Dermaco. I absolutely love this serum. I have completed one smaller version of this. कभी भी आप कोई नया सीरम ट्राई कर रहे हो, आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड कि आप पैच टेस्ट करो, छोटे साइज में इन्वेस्ट करो. इफ इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर यू देन ओनली बाय अ बिगर साइज. Now this particular one I've tried, tested, I loved it. मेरे जो एक्ने मार्क्स थे वो थोड़े फेड होने स्टार्ट हो गए थे. मैं अभी ऑनेस्टली इसे 2-3 मंथ्स अच्छे से यूज करूंगी टू सी एक्चुअली इट वर्क्स और नॉट सेइंग कि ये यूज करने से आपके एक्ने चले जाएंगे, बट नो, आई विल सी दैट कि आपके एक्ने मार्क्स थोड़े फेड आउट होने स्टार्ट होएंगे. यू विल सी लेस अमाउंट ऑफ एक्ने ऑन योर स्किन. सो या, आई गॉट दिस वन. What else we have from the skincare? Okay, we have two micellar water. This is the oil-based micellar water from Garnier and this is the regular one micellar water. मेरे पास बड़ा size ये वाले का normal वाले का है, but for the travel purpose I thought छोटा वाला is easier to carry, so I just got this for my travel. And this particular one I only use this for my eyes and to remove all my waterproof makeups. I don't apply it on my skin because I have an acne prone skin. It removes my waterproof makeup so beautifully. Let's move on to the makeup. I'm very excited to show you what we have for the makeup because I've got a lot of new things that went viral. First thing that I've got myself is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now this everybody knows it's one of the best primers in a high-end category. I don't know, but I feel I have used this primer. मेरे पास छोटू सा tube था and I've completed that. And I have a feeling that I love this primer. Let's apply it again and see what's the texture. It has a very good silicone texture. So apply it. बहुत smooth है. It glides on like a butter. Just blurs out your pores. It is so smooth in application. Like, just look at the difference. Oh my god, this is worth every penny. Now I got the hype why this was so in trend and now also people buy it. A lot of makeup artists use this and now I can feel the smoothness on my skin. Feel there's no texture, nothing, just a smooth layer on my skin. Next product that we have is from the Pack Cosmetic. I have invested in their Take Cover Concealer. This is in the shade Classic Beige. I hope this matches my skin tone. I have heard a lot of influencers talking about this concealer. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Super convenient. It comes with this applicator. I just hope this matches my skin tone. Okay, yeah, I got the option. Let's blend it and see how easily this is blending. You can see how easily this got blended. I love the light to medium coverage that this has. Very buildable coverage this has, and I can see myself using this concealer on an everyday basis. Very good coverage concealer. बिल्कुल केकी नहीं किया and I can see बिल्कुल dry नहीं है. Very lightweight this is. And see, the fine natural coverage concealer है. Let's move on to the foundation. We finally got the Pilgrim Dream Matte Serum Foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like. and I have got myself the shade Warm Sand. So it claims that it's a very lightweight foundation and all day coverage. It's written on the packaging. I've heard a lot of influencers talking about this product. काफी ने recommend भी किया था. So I got this, and so this is how the bottle looks like. It's good, it's sturdy, it is made of glass, comes with a pump. Let's see the shade match. I'm using a brush to blend out. I have a feeling कि थोड़ा सा light है मेरे skin tone के लिए. Let's apply it and see. Yeah, but it is blending very beautifully, huh? For no reason मुझे लगा था ये बहुत thin consistency का होगा, but it's not. It has a very good thick consistency. I thought it's a serum foundation, so maybe it would be a thin consistency, but no. It's a good coverage foundation. Oh my god, I've just took one pump and मेरा half of the face cover कर लिया है. Blending like a magic भाई साहब, क्या blend हो रहा है. See? फिनिश तो काफी क्रेजी है, अच्छी है, एकदम केकी फिनिश नहीं दे रहा है. बीइंग अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन, बहुत लाइट वेट. आई कैन फील इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट, एंड यू ऑल्सो डोंट नीड मच प्रोडक्ट. आई फील द ओनली थिंग आई एम फीलिंग राइट नाउ इज कि जल्दी ब्लेंड करो बिकॉज इट इज गेटिंग ड्राई आउट. मतलब मेरे हाथ पे ना आधा प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा ड्राई हो गया है. तो बी क्विक इन टर्म्स ऑफ ब्लेंडिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई एम लाइकिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. This is how it looks. Pretty much मुझे थोड़ा टोन डाउन करना पड़ेगा, so I'll be right back. So थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन करके I'm back and this is how my skin looks like, still better. एकदम भी शेड मैच इतना भी वाइट नहीं है. हाँ, आई गेस एक दो टोन थोड़ा मैंने लाइटर ले लिया है, बट दैट इज कम्प्लीटली ऑन मी. मैंने ऐसा शेड चूज किया है. टॉकिंग अबाउट द फॉर्मूला, एज आई टोल्ड, इट्स अ गुड कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर्मूला. एक पंप में है सॉर्टेड. मेरा तो थोड़ा बहुत प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे बचा भी है, मतलब यू कैन सी बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. सो या, इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. लाइट वेट है, बिल्कुल क्रीज अब तक तो आई नहीं है. जस्ट सेट विद द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मैंने थोड़ा डैप कर लिया था, एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट निकाल दिया है. सो अब तक के लिए इट्स ग्रेट. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द ऑक्सीडाइजेशन, थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी ऑक्सीडाइज होता है या नहीं, but I'll give a good 8 on 10. Moving on to the next product, what we have got another concealer. So ये भी मैंने काफी सुना है, influencer और internet पे काफी इसकी चर्चा चल रही है. This is the Mass Cosmetic Cancel Concealer. It says it has SPF 50 PA4+. मैंने first time सुना है concealer में SPF होता है. This is in the shade Honey Glow. Let's apply it and see. इसकी formula देखते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी थिक कंसीलर कंपेयर टू, अगर मैं पैक कॉस्मेटिक का कंसीलर अगर कंपेयर करूँ, पैक कॉस्मेटिक का बहुत लाइट वेट और बहुत ज़्यादा थिन कंसिस्टेंसी था. वेयर इज दिस, सी, इट्स अ वेरी थिक कंसीलर. जस्ट पुटिंग थोड़ा सा बिकॉज कंसिस्टेंसी ज़्यादा लग रही है. ब्लेंड तो बहुत इजीली हो गया. See, blended very nicely. बहुत लाइट वेट भी है and love it. It's very good. It's a very full coverage concealer. See, I've taken very little bit और इससे मैंने पूरी eyes को cover कर दिया है. It's a good concealer. If I compare both the concealer and if you ask me which one I like the most, so I am a very natural makeup girly because when it comes to makeup मुझे ज़्यादा heavy makeup करना पसंद नहीं है. And this is a very full coverage concealer. अगर आप मुझे बोलते कि मैं इसे बेस स्किन पे लगाऊँ तो I will not. I need a base and then only I'll put this because it's a very thick formula concealer. तो बहुत coverage भी है इसकी. So this is good for your glam days and that pack one is very good for everyday basis. I have used so many high coverage concealers and high coverage concealer से क्या होता है ना, जब आप thick formula concealer अपने अंडर आइज में लगाते हो, बहुत चांसेस होते हैं क्रीज लाइंस आने के या ड्राइनेस होने के. बट यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल. मैंने अब तक सेट भी नहीं की अपनी अंडर आइज, बट सी कितनी फ्लॉलेस फिनिश है इसकी. सो आई लव्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट. इट्स अ गुड सॉलिड 10 on 10 प्रोडक्ट. Okay, so moving on to the next product we have from the Fae Beauty. This is their Lush Blush. This is the first time I'm trying out this brand. मैंने इसके पहले ये brand से कुछ भी नहीं खरीदा है. So I'm very excited. I have got the shade Wifey. Okay, the shade name is Wifey. मैंने इसके काफ़ी रिव्यूज़ देखे इंटरनेट पे. ये वाला पर्टिकुलर ब्लश हैज़ गॉन वायरल. दिस इज़ हाउ क्यूट द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक. एकदम नेल पेंट जैसा शेप है इसका. Very cute, and let's see. I've heard that these blushes are very pigmented, so we need to be very careful. मैं थोड़ा सा अपने हाथ के पीछे पहले लेती हूँ. Okay, cool. The color looks good. See, I feel this will complement my skin tone so beautifully. Also, Fae Beauty के वेबसाइट पे when I was just checking and जब मैं buy भी करी थी नायका से, I saw they have a very good shade range in these also. And जितने भी blushes I saw कि this shade will look so good on Indian skin tone. I'm just warming the product थोड़ा सा, applying it with my hands. Let's see. Ooh, I love this shade. Wow. It has a very soft matte finish. Okay. It blended very beautifully, and also इसने मेरे बेस को भी बिल्कुल हिलाया नहीं है. It just blended perfectly. And see, सिर्फ हाथ से मैंने blend किया, and see how beautifully it is complementing my skin tone. बट हाँ, पिगमेंट वाइज आई विल सी इतना पिगमेंटेड नहीं है जितना मैंने सुना था. लेकिन डायरेक्टली मैं अप्लाई करके देखती हूँ. ठीक, इट्स अ वेरी गुड फॉर्मूला ब्लश. बहुत लाइट वेट है, इजीली ब्लेंड हो रहा है, एंड बहुत सॉफ्ट फिनिश है. आई लव इट. It's a good everyday blush. I'm seeing myself using this blush now more often. बहुत soft finish है, you can clearly see. I love it. It's a good 10 on 10 product. भाई पैसा वसूल चीज़ है ये वाली. Now moving on to the next product. Before I say about this product, I will say that I love waterproof mascaras. But let me be honest, I hate the removal process. बहुत त्रास होता है waterproof mascara निकालने में. But when I got to know that my favorite Maybelline Bubble Mascara comes in washable variant, मैंने आग बंद करके इसे add to cart किया है. मैंने देखे भी नहीं reviews. I just wanted to just have this in my vanity. I love the formula of Maybelline Bubble Mascara. Let me see it's the same formula or not. But to be honest, if it works, it's great. You will see me using this every single day because मैं every single day shoot करती हूँ. And using a waterproof mascara, मैं रोज अपनी 2-3 lashes like ऐसे ही जाने दे रही हूँ because of course मेरे को निकालना पड़ता है waterproof mascara at the end of the day, and it is very 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 difficult to remove. So if this works, it's going to be every time on my lashes, and I love mascaras. Let me be that thing clear. Let's see. This is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I can see the one is very similar. It's almost same like the OG mascara which comes in a waterproof variant. Let me apply. Okay, this is also very light. Ooh, it's the same formula. इसमें बिल्कुल भी मेरी lashes को clump नहीं किया है. And see the difference. I love it. Okay. The volume this mascara gives is insane. The length, I love it. And the way it curls my lashes, it's so good. And also this does not make your lashes clumpy at all. It's very lightweight. Taking some micellar water on a cotton pad and just rubbing my eyes. I'm not doing it aggressively, very gently I'm removing it, and it came out. I was not expecting this, but it just made the process so easy. I love it how beautifully it came out very effortlessly. If you love mascara but had removal process ka tras, this one is definitely for you. I will 100% recommend you buying this one. And with that, sadly, we have one last product to try, and that is the Fae Beauty Gloss. Now, this is in the shade Living. I love glosses personally, so I have very high hopes with this one. I have heard a lot of good things about this gloss. It comes in a very cute packaging. I love the packaging. Very cool packaging this has. Shall I show you the shade? मेरे हाथ बहुत गंदे हो चुके हैं. This is the shade. Ooh, I love the shade. It's not too pink, not too brown. Very good. Oh, it's a very thick consistency gloss. I can feel a little chip. थोड़ा सा थिक फॉर्मूला है इसका. No, I didn't like the gloss. I'm not understanding the product. Like literally मैंने पूरा press कर दिया है, see, and still the product is not getting out. So मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है the half of the tube is empty. I mean, I have mixed feelings. I love the shade, no doubt, with the shade, but the consistency is very thick for me personally. I don't like my glosses to be that thick. And अगर मैं इसे अपने लिपस्टिक के ऊपर लगाऊंगी तो आई डोंट फील लाइक मेरे लिप्स बहुत चैप्ड लगेंगे, बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट लगाया ऐसा लगेगा. फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन के लिए इफ आई वांट टू से इट्स अ 50-50 प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज मुझे अच्छा लगा शेड, बट बहुत हेवी लग रहा है लिप्स पे एंड बहुत thick formula. I don't know how will I explain this to you, but I think I have a better options. So yeah, I'll give it a good 7 on 10. And also थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है कि product empty है अंदर से, because I'm pressing so hard, still the product is not getting out. See, मैंने इतना press कर लिया इसे, still product आया ही नहीं है बाहर. So वो चीज़ के लिए तो I'm very disappointed कि क्या sense बना फिर. And yeah, with that, we come towards the end of this video. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I am very excited to see the edit, and I'll see if I post or not. But if I post, you let me know कि कैसी लगी आपको ये video, which product you liked the most on my skin tone, and मैं सारे ही product के links description box में add कर दूँगी. So in case you want to buy, you can click on that link. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.